Welcome to part 4 in the series on backward design. In the third video, we learned that designing courses with other aspects, rather than the outcome in mind, is not necessarily a bad thing, but that these just shouldn't be the first and most important components when building and revising a course. In his article, Curriculum Approaches in Language Teaching, Jack C. Richards mentions 3 main approaches to curriculum design: forward design, central design, and finally, the one we've been discussing, backward design.
Forward design involves starting with the selection and sequencing of content to then move towards the design of learning activities and assessments. The focus is on the progression of content and activities without necessarily considering the desired learning outcome up front. With central design, curriculum development starts with the selection of teaching activities, techniques, and methods, rather than with the elaboration of a detailed language syllabus or specification of learning outcomes. Issues related to input and output are dealt with after a methodology has been chosen or developed or during the process of teaching itself.
Backward design begins with clearly identifying the desired learning outcomes, as it has been stated in the previous videos. This approach considers learning outcomes as a starting point for effective curriculum planning.
In an article by Kate Paisani, she presents a backward design approach to the redesigning of an introductory French curriculum, grounded in the framing concept of cultural literacy. The application of the backward design model allowed them to revise the program structurally and collaboratively. All instructors knew that the objective was for students to enhance their cultural literacy and language proficiency, so they worked on analyzing existing learning objectives and aligning textbook content with the program's goals.
The systematic nature of backward design provided a framework for developing a coherent curriculum that not only met its objectives, but also facilitated ongoing program evaluation to improve instructional practices.
So, to sum up, there are several benefits of applying this model. First, it provides a systematic approach to curriculum development by ensuring that learning objectives, assessments, and instructional activities are aligned, as we mentioned in our previous videos. Second, it helps teachers understand the rationale behind curriculum implementation. Third, it facilitates teachers' awareness of how the curriculum is designed. Fourth, it helps teachers to see textbooks as a resource rather than as the actual curriculum. This definitely leads to classroom activities that have a purpose aligned to their learning objectives. Fifth, it enables teachers to be more aware of the adjustments that have to be made to ensure continuous improvement.
In conclusion, backward design not only aligns curriculum elements, but also enriches educational experiences. By focusing on clear goals and continuous improvement, it creates a more effective and engaging learning environment for both students and teachers.